Okay, this is Soren with Fortune Photo Booth, and I am going to show you how to set up DSLR Remote Pro for Windows. Find your icon on the desktop after you've installed it, double click it. That'll open up your software. You don't have to have the camera connected, but you do have to have the printer connected. Hopefully you've already installed it. Go to your control panel. Open up devices and printers and make sure that your printer is set as the default printer. If not, right click it with the right mouse button and choose set as default printer. Once it's the default printer, you want to set up your printing preferences. For the DSRX1, which most of you have, choose landscape in the orientation, then go down to the advanced button, and for the 2-inch cut, we want that to say enable. Say OK, and if you made any changes, hit apply and OK. So we're set with the DSRX1 as our default printer, so we're going to close the control panel. Now some of you have an updated version of Breeze, and there's actually a button at the top for starting the Photo Booth wizard, but you can also go to File and hit Photo Booth Setup Wizard here. In this case, we're going to say on the first screen, classic strip of 4 photos. We're going to hit Next. Now we have to give the folder for the logos and the icons a name. You can give it something descriptive like double strip, black and white, and color, because we're going to give the users a choice of black and white and color. If you run the wizard again, you're going to give it a different descriptive name like double strip black and white only, or double strip color only, something like that. Hit Next. These are the boxes that you want checked. Use touchscreen, allow users to select black, white, or color, uncheck preview each photo after it's taken, that doesn't work very well, and uncheck display print preview and ask for confirmation. Uncheck that. You can include the add a background JPEG image. We're not going to do video booth in this tutorial, and don't worry about the inactivity timeout. Now you may also have a show thumbnails button. In the more modern version of Breeze, there's a thumbnails section. That's probably a good thing to check. So check the show thumbnails as pictures are taken button. Hit finish. And your photo booth will work, but there's some tweaks that we can, and just say OK with the dialog that pops up. Now, the photo booth will work, but there's some tweaks we want to make to the program. So go back to File, go to Photo Booth Settings, and under Delay for taking first photo, just choose 4. 8 is way too long. And under Delay before taking remaining photos, choose 4. Under the Output settings, down here about 3/4 of the way down, it should say print and save JPEG copy. Leave that alone, but hit the settings button and check the copy JPEG to folder button here. And we want to change that word copy to strips, S-T-R-I-P-S. Then we're going to hit this crop button, and left and top are going to be 0. Width is going to be 620. And the height is going to be 1,844. Say OK. Then you are pretty much ready to go. You just have to put the logo in the folder that we created in the first step of the wizard. And if you forgot where that is, go into your folder icon at the bottom of the desktop, go into Documents, go into Photo Booth Images, and all your dated folders for your events will be in here, and then your folder, black and white color choice, that's the one we used, will be in there. And this is where you put your background JPEG if you want a background on your image. After you've done something like this, you're going to want to save this set of settings. Hit save. Do you wish to save the current printer settings? Yes. Give it a name like BW color choice. I'm going to call this demo. Then save. Then if you ever mess up your settings, all you have to do is go down to load, make sure you're in your documents folder, and scroll down to black and white color choice demo, say open, and it'll open that set, and then you'll be ready to go. In the next tutorial, we can talk about what to do and how to make a logo. Basically, this will get you going and get your photo booth running really quickly. In case of emergency, you can always run the wizard again. Just realize it's going to make a new folder in your photo booth images folder, and that is where the logos have to go. Because we chose black and white and color, let me just show you what it looks like here. You might have a start photo booth button, hit that, or go up to file and full screen photo booth mode, and you can see we have the start button, color button, black and white button. People can hit black and white, turns to black and white, then they'd hit start, or color to turn to color, and then hit start. That's it.